Here at Promethean, we know that as a teacher, the one resource you never have enough of is time. ActivInspire's clock and timer tools are a perfect way to gauge time for students' activities, assessments, and more. To use the clock tool, you can select the Tools icon on your main toolbar, or go to Tools, select More Tools, and choose Clock. From here, you have several options. Choose to display an analog clock, digital clock, or both. You can also resize the clock using the sizing handles. Select the Count Down or Count Up to access the timer. Input the amount of time you would like, and you may also choose to have a sound play upon timeout or to perform a certain action. Once you've made your preferences, select OK, and you can use the pause icon on the toolbar to pause the countdown or resume. Close the clock altogether at any time by selecting the red X.